In this video we're gonna check whether it is possible to install GCam on OPPO Find X9. So in order to check that, what we can do is we can go to the Play Store and then we can search for GCam, which is an app that can be used in order to see if we can actually download an app that resembles GCam. So we're gonna install this app, and once the app is installed, of course, we want to open it. So let's go ahead and do so. I'm going to allow notifications. Now in here we can see that the GCam is not available for this device yet, so I'm going to choose to request the GCam. Of course, in the future you might be able to actually find the app already working, so if you install this app and open it, then you will see if the GCam is ready. Now in the meantime, what we can do is go to GCams over here, and we can try to find the latest version of the app that might be working for our OPPO Find X9. So in this case, what I usually do is I usually type OPPO over here, and then I check which app is the newest, which one has the latest version. Usually the apps that are at the very bottom of this list are the newest. At least this is how it used to be, but it seems that now that is not really the case. So maybe actually these apps at the top of the list are the ones that we should look into. So over here, as you can see, we have like GCam 9.2, for example, 9.1. So essentially we are looking for the newest version, the newest GCam version and the newest Android version. We have 9.3. So I think I'm gonna go for the 9.3 over here. This seems to be the newest one, and I'm gonna start downloading. Of course, we have an ad in the meantime, but we can close it soon after that. And what you need to know about this method when we are looking for other versions of the app is that, of course, they might not be fully compatible with our phone, which means that let me actually try to download again. I'm not sure if I'm actually downloading it, so let's see. Can I tap on the start the download? Okay, I'm gonna try to reopen the app actually. Alright, so this was actually the file that I wanted to download that I had shown. So we need to download the app, but like I mentioned, the risk is that the app might not be compatible or fully compatible with the phone. There is a chance that the app will not work at all, or some just features might not be working properly, and the app may crash. Of course, this is like the obvious downside of this. But we're gonna see if this specific version is actually somewhat working on OPPO Find X9. And feel free to, of course, try to find newest versions of these apps, but yeah, usually we have to wait a while to be able to get the newest version. And the good news is that the app is actually opening. So we have the photo mode. Let's see if we can take a picture and if it's gonna work. Okay, so the picture seems to be working. We're gonna switch to the video mode now. The video is working fine as well. We can switch to 4K. Can we switch to 60? I guess we cannot really switch to 60. I think the app just crashed. Yeah, so this is what I meant. Like, unfortunately, in some cases, the app may crash. So yeah, there we go, and it crashed again. So this is the reason why we probably should wait for the most compatible version. In this case, unfortunately, the app will probably crash pretty much all the time, especially when we will try to use different camera modes. So it is technically possible to get the GCam, but unfortunately it is not that compatible. Unfortunately, many things are probably not working, and they will cause the app to crash. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.